Hi guys, tonight I am making a medicinal soup. So in my pot, show you. In my pot I have potatoes, onions, and carrots. They're kind of vegetables that I like to eat. So they're in there with some hot water and it's on low. Okay? Because I'm going to cook this soup for a couple hours. So I've got it on low. So I'm going to add my own herbs to it and make it a medicinal soup. So from the carrots, I took the carrot tops. These are loaded with nutrition. There's more nutrition in the carrot tops than the carrot itself. So that's going in. See how I'm just kind of taking it off the stalk. So the carrot tops in. Then I've got some beautiful parsley. It's dehydrated. So parsley's going in. Parsley is also medicinal. You guys can look up all these things. They're all medicinal. Most of the spices that we use, guys, are medicine. People just don't realize it. So there's more parsley. I'll put it all in because I like parsley. So all the parsley's in. Next, we're going to put nettle. Nettle is high in so many nutritional things. It's just crazy how good nettle is for you. So the nettle's going in. I even have some nettle flour on there. So these are all dehydrated, so they're going to break up nice. They're my spices for my soup. Kind of pull off the stalk. There. A little more nettle. Next we're putting in is, oh, there's a little bit of carrot top, is plantain leaf. Plantain, again, is another medicinal herb, and this is great for the intestines. It'll help you digest this food really nicely. So, all these are dehydrated. I'm just crunching them up. I find like the middle vein, I crunch it and pull off that because that's kind of tough to eat. So we get the plantain in now. See, I wouldn't use that because it'd be tough to eat. Okay, so we got our plantain in now. Next, I'm going to use sage. We all love sage. We know what sage is. Sage is actually medicinal too. So, the sage in. Put it all up. Thank you, Kathy, for the sage this year. I had a few people give me sage. Thank you so much for all the people that arrive and give me beautiful herbs from their garden. I love it. Oops, let me take that out. So my sage is in now. Angelica. We know what Angelica is. I'm pretty sure you guys watched some of my videos on Angelica. That's going in. Who would have thought you could use that leaf for a spice? It's actually beautiful for a soup. Gorgeous. All these, like I say, have medicinal values too. Oh, I kind of forget what this is. I forget. I have so many herbs. It's comfrey I put in. Oh, this is comfrey. Here's comfrey. That was the comfrey. So putting all the comfrey in. Then I'm adding red clover, dehydrated. That will put estrogen in our soup. So that's great. A couple rose hips. And these rose hips, I'll take them out after. I'm going to cook the soup with the rose hips in them. I'm going to do more than that. So this soup will have medicinal value of a high count of vitamin C because of these rose hips. Rose hips are going in. Last but not least, chaga mushroom, guys. Now your soup will turn a dark, beautiful brown, just like the chaga tea. Keep it on low, cook it for a couple hours, and you won't have to add any darkening to your soup. It'll be nice and dark from the Chaga chunk, and you're going to pull this out after, the same as the rose hips. You'll pull them out of your soup. Boom, that's it. Stir this around. I'll let you take a peek at it in a second here. So you'll take the rose hips out after it's all cooked. They'll stay fine to take them out, and you'll bring out the chunk of the Chaga, and you won't, and you'll just put the chunk of the Chaga in the freezer till the next time that you want to make a Chaga stew like this, or a Chaga soup. So all of the herbs that you guys have been collecting, you don't have to just use them for medicine like oils and things. Use them for soups, guys, and stews. Look how yummy that looks. So I'm going to let this go on low for a couple hours, and then I'll have this beautiful medicinal soup. Yum, yum, yum.